Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your commercial auto insurance with nationwide detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your commercial auto insurance with nationwide, start by reviewing your current policy. Identify the coverage limits and deductibles that apply to your existing plan. Assess your business needs to determine if additional coverage is necessary. Consider factors such as the number and type of vehicles you operate. Evaluate any recent changes in your business operations that may impact your insurance needs. Visit the Nationwide website or contact a local agent for detailed information about available options. Gather relevant information, including your vehicle details, usage, and driving records. Request quotes for upgraded coverage levels or additional policy options. Compare the different plans based on coverage, cost, and any additional benefits. Discuss any specific concerns or questions with a nationwide agent to ensure you understand your options. Once you've selected an upgraded policy, carefully review the terms and conditions. Make sure you understand how any new coverage affects your premiums. Finalize the policy by completing any required paperwork or digital forms. Establish a payment plan that works for your budget. Confirm that your new coverage is active by checking your policy documents. Set reminders for future reviews of your coverage as your business evolves. Stay informed about any changes in insurance laws or nationwide offerings that might benefit your commercial auto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.